Guys, it was a wonderful day yesterday with our codes and stuff. So guys, today I want to give you the good news. We have got books for Christmas discount. So if you miss it, it's only today and tomorrow. The discounts, I've got 10 books that I have now. So there is a big discount on there for those of you who don't have the books. I'm giving it to you on half price because of Christmas time. Okay, so yesterday, remember the code was 149, which gave us straight 49 as the banker for tea time. Then those guys, what they did, they skipped 14, they gave us 49. And if you check in a code like this 149, sometimes you add this or subtract. If you subtract is 3, if you add is 5, which means you cannot get 59, but 39 came from there. So you know that code, it's got so much numbers, of which if you can explore it, you'll get more numbers. And if you watch my previous video, I showed you how Tony does his numbers. This one of adding this, it gave us 168, which gave us 16 and 24, because if you add is 24, if you separate is 8. So this strategy also worked. So we're going to also implement it today into our video and see. So guys, you must remember that me, when I post a video, I always post also the link where you can purchase the books, because I find it very hard for some people asking, coach, where do I get the books? You know, there's a link. The first comment that I do is my link for the books. Okay, so let's jump on to today's business. Today guys, we're going to start with this strategy, which is let me see, 45, 49 and 39. So let's go to the calculator together so that we know exactly what we're doing. Let's go to the calculator together. So this is what I'm doing. We're going to say 45 plus 49 plus 49 plus, let's see, plus 39. This one is just 8, so it gives us what? 182. This one is a both code for lunch and tea time. It gives us 182. So our first code is 182. Then let's go and get the banker code, which is going to be, let's say, 39 plus 49 plus 55. We get 143, which means today 1443 is our banker, because the code says 143. So let's go and crack these codes. Perfect. I don't want this video to be too long, guys. Some of you are closing today. So we added these two numbers, then plus formula 55, we got 143. So the other code was 182. So let's break these codes together. 143. This code is got 3 numbers perfectly. We say 1 plus 43 is 44. 1 minus that is 42. Then 14 plus 3 is 17. 14 minus 3 is 11. So this is a 4 number. This one, you take it as your banker. I wonder if they're going to spin it and make it a 34, but I'm not sure. We're going to go together to the hot and colds and check, but it's fine. Anyway, so this is the first code. Second code is 182, which is 18 plus 2, that's a 20. 18 minus that is a 16, which is accurate. So remember, we can also do this. 1 plus 4, you get a 3, which can give us what? 33. Then 1 plus 4, it gives us a 5, which will give us a 35 as the bonuses. You see those numbers on that triangle, it can be the bonus 33 or 35. That's how we're going to do it. But the banker for today is 9 and 43. 9 and 43 and 14. 943, 934, 914, 941. Split up and put the bonus is 44. Guys, this is Christmas. If you miss it today, I'm telling you, don't say coach did not promise, did not give us Christmas time. I'm giving it to you. I'm telling you that 9 is the banker today, 1 to 49, and then put these other 40s on the side. Understand? So yeah guys, this is what it is for today. It's a short video so that you guys can practice early. So guys, books are on sale. Please inbox, follow the link, come and purchase for yourself. Thank you very much.